Hi there. In this video we are going to see how we can configure Tableau server with Windows based Active Directory. So as a prerequisite, the Windows server wherever you are going to install your Tableau server, that must be part of the domain already, so that it can directly sync when we do the installation. So I have already downloaded the setup file in here. I'm just going to right click and run as administrator as part of the installation process. Click yes and then accept the end user license agreement and just click next to proceed. So you can leave the default directory as it is for default installations, or if you want to change it to any other non-default directory, that also you can do this at this step. So just you have to click on the browse and then you can select the non-default directory. Right, I'm going to create a non-default directory directly under C as Tableau. Okay, so I'm gonna select that in my installation process. I'll browse through and then I'll select Tableau as my installation directory. You can select the other directory as well. It need not to be only C. You can select D, E or anything, and you just select here and then click next to proceed. So here, so if it is a fresh installation, it will be create new node, or if it is an existing installation, you can just add node so that it will become a cluster, right? So that's fine. We'll ignore it. So here it will install the basic files and it will set up the TSM as well to proceed with activation and further registrations and the configuration details. It also unzips the package which we have in terms of .exe file. It copies the entire binaries and everything. During this step itself, it does all of those things. So once this step is complete, then there will be a TSM web UI page will get open like this, wherein this is the page where we do all the further configurations like our registrations, activations and stuff also, right? So here the account that I'm going to give, this is the Windows admin account, right? The administration account of this Windows server. So as I have previously installed Tableau on this machine once, that's the reason it did not ask me for the activate or registration details like key or the registration details. It directly took me to the setup screen. Otherwise you will have to fill out activate and the other registration details, all of these details also. Okay, so here you can see we have two options, local and active directory. We'll go with the active directory. So when you click on active directory, then it will automatically pick up the domain. So you can see lakshmi.com. Initially we have already seen that the system is already part of lakshmi.com domain, so it directly picks up. You need not do anything else. If it doesn't, then you can just look at the domain here and write it there. NetBuyer's name, this is just a nickname kind of, it is fine, you can leave it as it is. So rest of the details I'll keep it as it is, except the product, that is I'll disable the sending information to Tableau, but remaining details I'll just leave as is. Click initialize. So as we already know, at this point it takes some amount of time, approximately 30 minutes or 45 minutes sometime. It depends on how big your server is in terms of RAM and CPU. If you have high CPU and RAM, it will get finished in 15-20 minutes. Otherwise it might take 40 minutes or 50 minutes also. So just because I have trimmed it, it is fast. I have trimmed the video there, so it is fast. So now you can see the initialization is complete and you can click continue to go forward. Here you have to remember the account is an Active Directory account. Okay, so here whatever account you give here, that should be part of your existing Active Directory. Okay, which will become a Tableau server administrator. You cannot set up a new account here. It is an account which is already existing on your Active Directory. Okay, so now if I click on users, you can see this Ask Lakshmi which I have given is already part of the domain. So prior to your installation itself, you have to be ready with one of the accounts that is already part of your Active Directory, right? So here you can see we can import Active Directory users or groups directly. So let me import some user directly from Active Directory, which I already have, right? So I'm importing this user. So if you look at it, it did not ask me for password or anything. I just given the username, simply select the site role and I clicked it. So it is imported, you can see. Now let's directly create a user in domain and let's import that to Tableau users in here. Okay, so these are the users which are already existing, but let's go to the server manager, and from there tools, we have Active Directory users and group, because I've set up the Active Directory on the same server. And so you can see these are all of the users that are there in my Active Directory. So you can see these are already the users which I have created before. So these are the users which we imported just before. But what we can do, we can create a user in here just to show you how in organizations the Active Directory or the Windows team does create these users, right? So I have another user which I'm going to import, which we have seen in there, right? So I'm giving that viewer site role to that user. I'm just importing it in here. Now you can see that user is also imported with the viewer license. So that is just because these users are already existing in my Active Directory user base, right? Now let's go and create a new user. So we can give any name, but in organizations, as I said, this will be taken care by our Active Directory team or whoever the team that maintains the Active Directory domains and Active Directory user base stuff, right? It is not Tableau administrators task to do. So they create users in this pattern. Once this user is created, then they'll let us know and we'll simply import them to the Tableau server. So I'm creating a user called Joe. So you can see the domain will be automatically added against this user. You need to set up a password as well, as in whatever the password you would like to. Once we create this user in here, then we can import directly onto Tableau server. Now you can see the user is already created, right? You can see the user there. Now let's import that user into Tableau. So this is our part. As a Tableau administrator, you have to give the username and give him some site role, site administrator, and then import. Now you can see that user has been imported as site administrator. So what if I want to check on my existing server, whether it's a local authentication or Active Directory? Go to your TSM page and then click on configuration. Go to your user identity and access section, the third one on the left hand side, and then you can see there whether it is Active Directory. If you see a domain name in there, if it is not, it will be like your local trust store that you will have, right? Here in this case you can see it as Active Directory. So that's how you define. If you have any queries on this, you can mention on the comment section. I'll try to answer those. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos related to Tableau server. Thanks.